A moment ago you watched this video, and while you were watching this video you heard this new science vocabulary word, so I wanted to take a second to define it. Rate just means how often or fast something happens. There's two examples on this slide. One of them shows two medical students, and one of them is finding the pulse of the other medical student. On the other side is miles per hour that you might experience in a car. And rate in a car is measured in kilometers per hour. In heart rate, it's measured in beats per second. And if we look at plate motion, plate movement is measured in centimeters per year. So from the video, and then also from the question that we were just answering in the discussion, we know that plate motion is taking place right now because of GPS data. From GPS measurements, we know that Earth's plates are moving at an average rate of only a few centimeters per year, but over longer periods of time, do the plates move in similar rates, or is it not? Because we only have data from the 1970s. So over time, is it going to be moving at a different amount? And so we're going to actually look at the sim, which allows us to observe a model of plate motion happening over millions of years. So we're going to use the sim to measure how far plates move over long periods of time, just like the scientists use GPS to measure how far plates move over short periods of time. And then we're going to calculate the rate of plate motion over millions of years using our data from the sim, and then compare our rates to the rates of plate motions happening today. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up the sim, and there's a link below the video. And we're going to use that, and we're going to pay attention to the rate of the plate motion. When you open the sim, you'll see something that looks like this. Over here on the side, there are these markers. And this is region 2, I should say. You're going to open region 2, and then you're going to notice that there's these markers 1, 2, and 3 on the right side of the screen. Drag 2 of those over to the map, and you'll go ahead and just place one here, and then you can place the other one here, and you'll notice that below it shows the cross section. You'll be able to see that start to move. You're going to have a handout that looks like this, and the directions here are very clear, so I would encourage you to read the directions and then use this data table down here to record your observations. One of the things that you can do when you're calculating rate is use a calculator, and that could help you out. Okay, good luck.